Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. I'm aboard Explorers, it's time to go.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help.
Jellyfish!
Right. Oh, now I'm thinking of something.
Yes, jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like. Oh, yeah.
Jellyfish!
Right. Now. Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping!
Neener, neener, neener. Oh, yeah. Too fast for you.
Stop fooling around!
I wonder if clownfish taste Nemo, why did you drop by little price? Oh, what a beautiful
Just put your fins out and go with the flow!
Oh, there you are, Nemo.
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, Explorers.
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo! And all of them are out there for you.
That's what I'm afraid of!
Ready to go. Yay! In a big blue world. In a big blue world. I've never seen before.
Too bad. I mean, it's a nice song, but they just never stop. I mean, never, never, ever, never, 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 ever, never, never stop.
Make sure we're standing to the right. Guys, please watch. It's done. Make sure we're standing to the right-hand side.